Jamal's going to lift the tray. I'm going to move it on my foot, and then you just need to lay the tissue paper
Back down where
back down for when we're lying it. Okay? You've got the tray now?
Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry. And where are you going? Just down here?
You decide, yeah.
We need to do
So Rosie, this one could go, it's kind of like a diagonal movement, bringing them closer, just a fraction. So imagine that really vivid text in there.
But I thought the text was more of a backdrop you would take to look at, rather than having it a poem in the red.
When I'm standing here, it's 50% obscured.
I know.
So when I stand here,
completely,
then it's unobscured.
Yeah.
So that's what we've got.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, what I'm unsure about is the rotation of this one, because this feels really awkward to me. I'm staring at it. It's like an armhole has got prime place, and that's not right.
Yes, I agree.
Is there something about the black on the white is so graphic?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more, I think.
Has that been lowered? Has the Comme des Garçons been lowered? It was taller before.
Still, I think a little bit more, Mars. Could go a little bit further. And then if you just step back so I can see the armhole there. See, I feel like it still goes slightly closer together, but it's about that. Do you see what I mean? It's like diagonally. Yeah. It's not elegant.
No, it's not really.
It's lumpy.
Well,
let's do this first, one at a time. But do you feel? I know it's nice to show people but I think it's
very manly.
It's too
as
literal.
if you're in position for photograph, isn't it?
I don't think a photographer would do.
Probably not.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
I mean, if you can move it back a couple of inches, that'd be brilliant. Into kind of this. Do you think they'll both fit into about that?
Right. So move this into here.
Yeah, so almost, there, yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah, try that. Well, I wouldn't rotate her that way because then she's got her back. Let's just keep it straight for now. Thank you. I'm actually thinking almost like further forward.
Yeah.
And then move the white one across so that they overlap. I think is what I'm thinking. So if she can move further forward.
That's as far forward as we can go.
Is it?
Pretty well. Yeah.
So that the white one can come in behind.
And this one back. Well, you marked it already.
Yeah, but we can move it.
Yeah.
So it's almost like you go from bronze to white rather than bronze, grey, white. And what we've not done in that case is use the depth of the case. We haven't really full metallic sheen of it.
Can I move her forward a bit?
Which one's it?
The white one.
Yeah. We're just moving forward an inch or so. Yeah. No, it's the other way. And I think they were a little bit closer. Stop, oh, hold on, let me see.
They were really, really close.
I mean, to me, that looks really good there. I think that one's a bit, it seems to have moved towards the door a lot. I think maybe make one just a little bit different, so they're not. Yeah. Try it. Maybe the outside, yeah, the outside one, that one. That's much better. Yeah. What do you think? I think as soon as it's not symmetrical, it looks a bit livelier.